Hola, hola everyone. Welcome back to another Spanish lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be describing an animal again, using our knowledge from last week. Today's lesson's title is Este no es mi animal. That's not my animal. And we are going to be describing an animal. Last week, we learned 6 different animals: el gato, el perro, el pájaro, el conejo, la serpiente, el pez, and we learned different parts of the body for those animals. We also did write some sentences describing those animals. As you can remember, we used this structure. The animal tiene, which is half, number, and part of the body. So we said, el pez tiene 2 aletas. What does that mean? What does that translate as? The fish has 2 fins. El perro tiene un rabo. The dog has 1 tail. Okay? So today we are only going to learn 4 new words. Okay? We have muchos or muchas, which is a lot of, and pocos or pocas, which is a few. Why have I written muchos and muchas, which means the same thing, both using O and A? Because, as you can remember from previous lessons, when a word finishes in O, what happens? It is a masculine word, and when it finishes in A, it's a feminine word. Most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time. We will learn that little by little. And then with pocos and pocas is the same. For those words that finishes in O, I'm going to write pocos because it's masculine, and pocas for those in feminine. In today's lesson, we are going to do a similar thing like in this book. We are going to draw 3 animals that are going to be incorrect. So they are going to have a lot of tails, or they are going to have a lot of fins, or they are going to have a few ears, okay? And then we are going to draw, well, and describe that. And then we are going to draw our correct animal and describe it as well, okay? So these are the steps we are going to follow. We are going to choose an animal, and it could be the animal that you want. It could be un perro, un pez, un gato. Maybe you can look on the internet for your favorite animal name in Spanish and draw that, okay? Then we are going to draw that animal 3 times, okay? 3 veces. And we need to change those animals. For example, we can draw a dog with 2 tails, 2 colas, or we can do it with 3 mouths, 3 bocas, okay? And then we are going to draw our 4th animal correctly. Don't worry, don't panic. We can do it step by step, and you can do it with me at the same time, okay? So let's start with the first one. This is my first one. Este no es mi perro. This is not my dog. Tiene muchas orejas. It has a lot of ears. As you can see, I have drawn here 3 more ears, okay? So that is what you need to do. So pause the video here, draw your animal in a changed way, and write your sentence. The next one, okay, my second changed animal. Este no es mi perro. Who can tell me what is different? Tiene pocas patas. It has a few legs, so not that many legs. It only has una y dos. Only 2 legs, 2 patas. So, este no es mi perro. This is not my dog. Can you do that as well? You can change your animal, and you can change whatever you want, okay? So pause the video and do it. Este no es mi perro. This is not my dog. Tiene muchas colas. It has a lot of tails. As you can see, I have drawn 2 more tails, so it's not my dog. Pause the video and do your third animal and write the sentence, please. And this is my dog. Este sí es mi perro. Tiene 4 patas, 2 orejas, you cannot see that, y una cola, a tail. Okay, so that should do. So this is what I'm going to leave you on the screen for you to complete the task. I hope you have understand it and I hope you have really like it. Okay, take care. Adios. Bye-bye.